Good morning friends, welcome to another vlog. I really hope you all are doing well and having an amazing day so far. And I am so sorry that I didn't uploaded a vlog last week. That's because I wasn't feeling it. I was going through something and I didn't really want it to be on the camera. So I decided not to film. Yeah, I just took a little bit break, but I am back for good. Highly recommend you guys to check out my Instagram. I'm mostly active over there from the beginning of this year, like on and off, but I've been sharing these little poems on Instagram and I really like it. Like I feel like it's such a great way to start your day with a positive note. Poem which I shared yesterday was, like wildflowers, you must allow yourself to grow in all the places people thought you never would. How beautiful is that? Definitely check out my Instagram. I would love to connect with you all over Instagram as well. I find these little poems over Pinterest, and I also have a board where I save all those poems. So yeah, definitely check that out if you are interested. So today it's bright and early and I decided to vlog because today we are going to Macon. It's about 2 hours from where we live right now and we are going there for their cherry blossom festival. I have never been to any spring festival before, so I am super excited for me to visit and also take you guys along with me. I have a pretty good agenda lined up for us for next few days. So I have to paint the patio furniture which I was talking about from last few vlogs because the weather was not cooperating, so I was not able to do it, but hopefully we'll do it soon. Also, I have finally printed the photographs for the photo frame upstairs in the bedroom, so we'll be doing a little project. We'll create a gallery wall and let's see how it goes. We were doing measurements last night and let me tell you, it was time taking. So we have all the pencil marks on the wall right now, but hopefully it will be done. I am not actually sure if we are going to do the project today. Maybe we'll do it tomorrow, but because we are right now leaving to Macon and I do not know what to expect and what if it gets tiring and I have no energy left in the evening. But we'll see. So yeah, I'm super excited to spend next few days with you all. So we arrived at the place, but they didn't allow pets and also they had like clear bag policy, but since we have Yogi also with us, we were not able to enter. But I saw from outside, I felt like there was a lot of kids activity, nothing much to do for adults. So we just came to the downtown area and we are going to explore this area. So yeah, let's see what Macon has to offer.
In 1000, turn right onto Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard. Turn right on.
Okay guys, so we are back from Macon and the irony is we went to see the cherry blossoms but there was no cherry blossom because apparently it rained yesterday heavily and all the flowers fell off. So basically we drove 2 hours just to see the naked trees. But anyway, yeah, and while coming back there was so much traffic that it took us 3 hours to come back. But I'm happy we are back. But if you are somebody who is planning on going to Macon and if you have kids, I feel like it's such a great weekend activity to do with them. There were so many rides and it was good, like kid friendly place. But if you have pets, they do not allow pets over there. You will have to go to the downtown area. You cannot enter the festival. So yeah, I just thought of mentioning. And right now I'm making chai because I am so tired. And then I have to finish some campaigns. So the deadline is tomorrow. I'm not sure if I will be able to vlog today, but we'll see how that goes. If not, I will be picking up the vlog tomorrow morning. We drink chai and get started on the campaign and then I have to edit it. Yeah, just a lot going on, and that is the reason why I was not able to vlog. It was like a lot to handle, a lot of things were going on in the background. So hopefully this week goes smooth, and yeah, I am super excited to get started with the gallery wall and the outdoor furniture soon. Also just wanted to update you on the grape plant. It's doing so well. As you can see, this has little leaves and I just kept little eggshells over there. That's great for plants. So this is number one, and another one is here. This one has only one leaf coming out, so hopefully more will come out in the next coming weeks. But yeah, that's the update. Finally, the weather is so nice today, so I figured let me just go ahead and paint the outdoor furniture. So if you have watched my previous vlog, I've mentioned that I will be doing a coating of this spar urethane, and this is supposed to protect the outdoor furnitures, and you are supposed to do 3 coats. So I feel like today is the perfect weather. Since it was raining heavily from past few weeks, I kept it inside because you're not supposed to keep it outside before painting this, before doing a coat of this. So yeah, that's what we are going to do now.
The roads that lay open are many, when the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow.
So I'm done with one coat and it was a task, but I'm happy that I'm done with it, and I have to wait for it to dry and then go with the second coat and the third coat. So it is definitely going to be a process, but I'm super excited to complete it, and then finally I can have the furniture out and sit in sun, because it's going to be sunny from next week onwards. I feel like this is such a nice way to eat dragon fruit. And it's a little bit later in the day. I've been spending first half of the morning today in the office. I had few videos to edit and submit it for approval, so that is done. Next thing I want to do today is to finally start writing in this recipe book. So if you have watched my previous vlogs, I mentioned that I got this recipe binder from Amazon. It has so many pages, and this way you can write your own personal recipes, because sometimes I find recipes online. Usually I find recipes online and I'll do like some changes, some tweaks here and there. So I thought it will be nice to have my own personal recipes at one place so that I can refer back in future if I need to. So today I'm going to write my first ever recipe in this recipe binder, and that is going to be granola recipe. I decided I'll just start, because if I overplan it's not going to happen. So let me just start with granola and we'll see what recipe I want to add next. I have recipes on my notes app here, so I'm just gonna jot it down here and then we'll make granola. Yeah, let's do that. I am done writing the recipes, and I'm just realizing that I do not have cranberry and walnut, but that's why I like this recipe so much, because it's totally customizable and you can totally skip the nuts and seeds which you don't have and replace it with the nuts and seeds you already have. So the recipe calls for cranberries and I do not have it, so okay, so I will add golden raisins, and it also calls for walnuts, which I do not have, or I have to see, but I don't think I have. So I'll use cashews and almonds instead of that, and we have rest of the ingredients. You can take screenshot of it. This recipe comes out really good every single time. Okay guys, so I am in my guest room now and this wallpaper came out so good, but this room was empty for the longest period of time. But yesterday night we assembled the bed. Also, if you are somebody who wants to do wallpaper as well in your house, I have a detailed video on my channel. We did it a few months ago and I uploaded the video I think last month, so I'm gonna link that video. It has like step-by-step process, and I got this sheet from Cozy House, and this pack has like 2 pillows, 1 flat sheet and 1 fitted sheet. We also wanted to mention this mattress protector. We got this mattress protector from Amazon and this is super high quality and it's so comparable to a lot of high-end ones. If you wanna save some dollars and still get the quality, definitely check this mattress protector out. We have one in our upstairs bedroom as well and the quality is really good. But yeah, again, I will link this in my description. Okay guys, so I am upstairs and we will be doing this gallery wall now. It's been pending for I don't even know how many months. Like, I got photo frames. I think it's been 8 months since I got the photo frames and it was just lying over there in the corner, but today is the day. So these are the pictures I printed. I went for black and white. Look how cute does Yogi look. He was, I guess, 4 months. Yeah, he still has his puppy hair. So cute. This is a picture we took in while we were going to Aspen. Yeah, it was a road trip with so many friends. So that was great before COVID. This is the picture when we came to this house, the puja picture. So many good ones. I feel like, oh my god, this is a picture I took when we brought Yogi home. I think it is after like 5 to 6 days. Look how tiny he looks. Super cute. And also wanted to show you the measurements we did. Nitin did, I didn't do it. It was complex. So yeah, it was hard to like come up with the proper distance and everything. So I have all the photo frames here, and these photo frames, if you haven't watched my vlogs from 6 months ago, this is from Target. So basically this is 11 by 14 frame and the photographs which will go inside is of 8 by 10. So I've got कितना चाहिए तुम लोग को? 9 of these. I'm gonna place the pictures inside the frames right now.
Whenever you're lonely, just pick up the phone and call me.
Okay, so I have placed all the pictures inside the photo frames and everything looks so nice. And here I have hooks, as you can see, and also lots of pencil marks. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take the paint. So the builder provided us with the paint. So we have plenty of paint in the garage. So I'm gonna take a little bit of it and paint it wherever we have pencil marks so that it's all nice and clean. And then we are going to place the photo frames here. Okay guys, so I'm done painting and it's still a little wet, so I'm gonna just leave it like that for half an hour or so. It dries like pretty quickly, so after it dries we are going to put this photo frames over there and finally finish this project. Okay Okay guys, so it's finally done and I feel like this one looks really nice over here, especially the frames. I'm so proud of myself. I found the perfect color I was looking for and I think this was the best thing which I could do with this empty wall here. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section. Now let's head downstairs and work on the granola. Wait, I have to clean this area up because we have a lot of from the photo frames. So let me clean this first and then we'll go to kitchen and work on the granola. This granola is out of the oven and then the recipe says that I have to add cranberry and raisins. I do have few golden raisins but I do not have cranberries, so I decided to substitute that with this figs. So this one I got from Costco and this tastes absolutely delicious. So I'm gonna chop these things up, add it over here, and then for the seeds, again it's very optional, you can use anything you want. I'm using chia seeds, hemp seeds and pumpkin seeds. I do not have flax seeds right now, so I'm just going with these three.
You are like over me, just like an angel set me free. Where are you now? Do you feel?
So I've transferred the granola here in this airtight container and it will last us for next few weeks, so that's good. And yeah, I'm gonna make us some dinner and I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I really hope you enjoyed watching and I cannot wait to see you next. Bye.
Don't let me darken your front door. That is not